Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Our voice of truth this morning is regarding Matthew 26 verse 39. Ano pong sinasabi sa talatang ito? Sabi ng ating Panginoong Hesus dito sa kanyang record, He went a little farther and he fell on his knees and prayed, saying, "Oh, my Father, if it is possible, let this cup pass from me. Nevertheless, not as I will, but as you will." Ano pong makikita natin dito sa talatang ito? Pinapakita sa talatang ito na ang Panginoong Hesus ay nagkakaroon ng panalangin, nagsusumamo na kung maari ay wag yung sarong ito maranasan niya. But sabi niya, hindi yung kalooban ko, kundi ang kalooban mo, Ama. Kaya anong nakikita natin dito? Pinapakita dito ni Jesus Christ ang kanyang pagiging perfect model to all followers or to all disciples or to all people na nagsasabing sumampalataya sila kay Kristo. Nakikita natin dito in my personal interpretation yung tatlong bagay: willingness to submit God the Father, willingness to obey God the Father, and willingness to fulfill the will of God. Jesus is our model to giving glory to God. Maraming salamat po. To God be the glory.